What's up, guys? Fresco VK here, live at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. We've got a super exclusive look at the ComplexCon Pharrell times Adidas Human Race. So we all know what the human races are all about. We remember the ComplexCon exclusive from Adidas last year in 2017, but we got an early exclusive unboxing look right here, 2018. So cut all this talking, we getting straight to these shoes. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think this colorway is actually pretty cool, but I'll give you an exclusive look at the ComplexCon Pharrell times Adidas exclusive human race that we have right here in my hand. So we have the upper here, features a mostly royal blue, prime knit throughout the upper. And then we have the NERD that runs straight through the upper. So if you guys are familiar with the ComplexCon pair from last year, which was 2017, which is the black and silver, we also have those available here at Stadium, but you'll remember the same NERD running down that middle area, got the star right there in the middle. As we get to the outer panel, features the red caging, the red and blue contrast with the white. But let's get to the back panel here. We have the classic NERD logo right there with the white underlay, just the blue once again in the back, boost midsole again, caging, red caging, and the boost midsole. We have the blue laces that feature the 3M hits. So the royal blue laces, it's tonal with the 3M hits, and then it also features another set of white laces with the 3M hit that you guys will see there. Let's get to the outsole. So this one is a trail outsole, which is classic to most of the newer Pharrell NMD styles with the trail outsole. We have the Adidas right there in the middle. And as we get to the right shoe, the only difference between right and left is the back tabs, which has the red and the NERD logo right there. It's only fitting that I got my BBC shirt on. So we got one last look at the Pharrell times Adidas ComplexCon exclusive NMD human race. We've got ComplexCon 2017, the BBC exclusive from 2018, ComplexCon 2018, and we have the Shagfest exclusive right here, the Homecoming also from 2018. So please let me know what you guys think in the comments. We just unboxed the 2019, but if I had to choose between all four, I may go towards the Homecoming. The Homecoming is pretty fly, but BBC is also dope. ComplexCon 2017 is also fly, but we have all of these and a bunch of other human race styles available right here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube, and please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and Android. If you have any questions regarding anything Stadium Goods, make sure you visit stadiumgoods.com. And last but not least, please follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco VK, and salute.